JamesPWomack, Lean Solutions, How Companies and Customers Can Create Value and Wealth Together. Welcome to the world of Lean Solutions, How Companies and Customers Can Create Value and Wealth Together by JamesPWomack, a guide to rethinking the consumption process for the benefit of both businesses and their customers. Discover the 5 trends shaping consumption and learn why lean production alone is insufficient to satisfy consumer demands. Through real-life examples, understand customers' problems and the significance of collaboration to provide tailored solutions. Enhance your knowledge about mapping the consumption process, improving workflows and supply chains, and innovation-driven operational models.
The 5 Principles of Lean Production. Lean production philosophy is built on 5 principles: offer customers what they want, value stream mapping, testing procedures, continuous flow, and seeking perfection. The principles are centered on providing high-quality products that satisfy customers. However, to achieve customer satisfaction, lean principles should be applied to consumption as well. The 5 trends impacting consumption. Consumers are experiencing a shift in the way they consume products due to 5 significant trends. These include mass customization, which increases choices but requires more decision-making effort. Deregulation provides increased freedom but also increases the risk for customers. Self-service is replacing traditional service, which requires customers to invest time and energy into installation, maintenance, upgrading, and recycling. Customers have more money, but less time, which affects their purchasing decisions. Lastly, the internet is causing the customer to become part of the production process, with some companies requiring customers to monitor production and delivery. Reinventing consumption. Consumers desire permanent, convenient, and tailored solutions to their problems. To provide this, businesses must collaborate with their customers to identify, define, and resolve issues. The solution already exists in available technology and organizational models. However, it requires a new way of thinking about consumption to activate lean consumption successfully. Collaboration between the customer and provider at points of interconnection is vital to solve problems. Businesses should seek alternatives rather than shuffling existing options. Every producer is also a consumer, and their personal experience can help diagnose problems and determine solutions. The customer and provider's efforts must fit together to achieve lean consumption. Understanding customer value. Mapping the consumption process can help businesses understand the value they deliver or destroy at each step. By identifying the steps involved in both consumption and provision, businesses can calculate the difference between perceived time and clock time, revealing the entire value stream. This often leads to the discovery that customers are paying a tax of time for services, resulting in dissatisfaction and loss. Customers view unpaid work as an inefficient nuisance, but by combining vendors and elements into a single touch point, businesses can significantly reduce the unpaid work in their customers' lives. In order to solve problems most people consume, so understanding the consumption process is crucial to understanding customer value. Creating value in business. The book emphasizes creating value by forging strong links between consumption and provision. Companies should redefine their relationships with suppliers and distributors, and design a lean process that meets their objectives and client expectations. The process must be customer-focused, with metrics showing whether it meets both organizational and client goals. Companies should eliminate non-value-creating steps, analyze time and costs, and focus on what is feasible, not ideal. The book offers statistical analysis to help evaluate how well the process satisfies customer demands and provides solutions for creating value in a business. Turning customer dissatisfaction into profits. Customers seek solutions to problems when buying products and services. However, the consumption process often leads to new problems, which frustrates customers. To transform their dissatisfaction into satisfaction and profits, businesses must understand the consumption process. Companies should initiate conversations with customers to uncover their problems, diagnose the issue, and allocate the necessary resources to solve the problem. Businesses should aim to level out demand and make workflows predictable to streamline operations. By adhering to these 4 principles, companies can satisfy their customers, save time, and boost profits. Successful case studies in lean consumption. Lean consumption operates on the principle of satisfying customer needs rather than pushing products onto them. This summary showcases companies that have compressed the supply chain, thereby reducing costs while increasing efficiency and meeting customer demands. Nike produces customized bags in Oakland, which have a lower total delivered cost compared to those made in China due to the streamlining of supply and distribution channels. Tesco Supermarket uses customer data to optimize cost, variety, and time trade-offs. 7-Eleven stores in Japan use a sophisticated pull system to alter their product mix concerning the time of day. The core message emphasizes the importance of solving customer-specific needs while adopting efficient and flexible systems that reduce costs and increase revenues. Entrepreneurial solutions for customer satisfaction. Entrepreneurs are finding new business models by identifying deeply rooted problems within existing operating systems. By challenging the status quo, they're able to create alternative systems, like Southwest Airlines' point-to-point structure, which offers limited yet highly competitive services. These innovative solutions lead to cost-effective means of satisfying customer needs. While considering the possibility of relying on a single service provider, such as a mobility, shelter, or communication provider, entrepreneurs continue to hone in on the healthcare sector. Conventional healthcare procedures have long frustrated customers, and lean entrepreneurs have emerged as a source of hope with advancements in laser surgery and hernia repair. By optimizing processes, these entrepreneurs aim to eliminate customer waste and transform the healthcare industry. Simplifying consumer needs. Most consumers face 5 basic problems that require input from multiple vendors, including organization of household gear, healthcare management, transportation equipment, financial management, and shopping. However, these issues can be simplified by a solution provider that keeps records of home maintenance, manages healthcare treatment and prevention, coordinates transportation, consolidates financial requirements, and streamlines shopping. Such providers can save consumers time and money and increase efficiency in highly dynamic economies.
In summary, the book offers valuable insights into the crucial relationship between consumption and provision, and how collaboration between companies and customers can create value and wealth for both. By applying the principles laid out in this book, businesses can learn to identify and eliminate inefficiencies, improve workflows, and provide products and services that truly satisfy their customers. Moreover, as consumers seek more convenience and customization, innovative entrepreneurs have ample opportunities to disrupt traditional market models and pave the way for better overall experiences. By adopting lean practices in both production and consumption, the world of commerce holds vast potential for growth, satisfaction, and profitability.